it is a new problem. It was asked previously 2 times in the year 2005 and 2012. Here for problem 1200 kgs of a material was charged to process 1 at the rate of 2 per kg. The direct labor accounted for rupees 200 and other departmental expenses amounted to rupees 760. The normal loss is 10% of the input, whereas the net production was 100 kgs. If the process scrap is sellable at rupees 1 per kg, calculate the value of normal loss and abnormal loss and show process 1 account. Here process account, it is debit and credit. Here once again I am going to say same column. In the debit side it is new thing in the sense input, credit side new thing in the sense output. Remaining all columns are same. Here first debit side we have to enter all the expenditures. For example, I am going to say first one 1200 kgs in input 1200 kgs. The rate is also given in the problem 2 per kg. 1200 into 2, it works out 2400. Next expense direct labor. That direct labor is given 200 rupees. That we have to enter 200. The next third one is to other departmental expenses. It is clearly given in the problem 760. Then all debit items are over. Here first in working notes we have to remember 4 things. One is normal loss, another one is normal output, third one is abnormal loss, fourth one is cost per unit. Now in this situation, the normal loss 10% of the input they are telling. 10% of the input in the sense, think of only units. 1200, that is the 10% means it works out 120. It is clearly given normal loss, it is 120. Then here 120 and again cost per unit rupee 1 because scrap is sellable at rupee 1 per kg. 120 into 1, 120. Here next one. Here by process 2 in the sense, here what we have to do in the sense, first find out the normal output. Here normal output in the sense input minus normal loss. Input is 1200 it is given, then normal loss is 120, then available units is 1080. Next one is abnormal loss. Abnormal loss, whenever you are going to find out abnormal loss, one is actual output minus normal output. Actual output it is given in the problem, that is 1000 kgs. Actual output is 1000 kgs. But the normal output is 1080. In the sense 1000, 1080, when you are comparing, actually 1000 it is less, but normal is 1080, then that's why it is loss. That is abnormal loss 80 units. Now once again I am going to say here you must find out cost per unit. Cost per unit again total expense minus scrap value divided by normal output. Once again I am going to say all expenditure add together, it works out 3360 minus scrap value 120 divided by normal output is 1080, it works out 3 rupees. Now in this situation what we have to do in the sense, here by process 2 1000 kg and 3 rupees 3000, that is we have to enter, and at last abnormal loss always we have to enter credit side of the process account. Abnormal loss how many units? 80 units. The rate is cost per unit 3. 80 into 3, that is 240.